Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Q-Sharebd. Q-Sharebd is the channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson 16. In this lesson we will discuss about very important verb, 4-root letter verb. 4-root letter, there is a additional root letter has been added with the 3-root letter. Fa'ala is our 3-root letter that we have completed through our last lessons, 3 or 4 lessons. And today we will discuss the 4th letter, and kaf is the additional 4th letter. And the second kalima, ain kalima, will get the sukun. This is the pattern for the 4-root letter. 4-root letter verb is not so difficult. It is very easy and simple. So fa'alaka is the pattern, our 4-root letter. Let's see some example of 4-root letter. The most popular 4-root letter verb is waswasa. Waswasa, you see the second letter, this is the ain kalima in sin, has got the sukun. And rest 3 is fatha, fatha and fatha. So this is under 4-root letter verb waswasa. Waswasa means whisper, gossip or rumor. Let's see some other 4-root letter verb like tarzama. Tarzama means to translate. And handasa means to engineer. From handasa we will get muhandis, engineer. This is the verb and muhandis is a noun. And also like kahkaha. Kahkaha means to laugh loudly. And zalzala means to shake, earthquake. Zalzala. This waswasa and zalzala you will find in the Quran. This waswasa you will get in Surah Nas, and zalzala you will get in Surah Zalzala, earthquake. Now we will see how to conjugate this 4-root letter verb. It is not difficult. It is very easy than 3-root letter. Like this formula is this very easy formula and easy to conjugate. We will conjugate as usual for these six things. We are not conjugating for all 14 pronouns. So waswasa will start like this. Waswasa means this is the past tense, and present tense will be you was isu. First we have to add you. You was isu. And command will be was is. And verbal noun will be was wasah. Was wasah is the verbal noun. And active participle is mu was is. Passive participle is mu was as. One is mu was is. This is kasra. And passive is mu was as. This is fatha. Active passive is similar like 3-root letter. Now this verbal noun have another 3 form. Like one is was or is was or us was. So this total 4 form for verbal noun. Any one of these we can use. So somewhere we can get was-a, somewhere we can get was, and somewhere is was, and somewhere us was. This is the varieties of verbal noun for this verb was-a. This is the meaning of this different thing. The past tense meaning for was-a is he whispered, and present tense is he whispers, and command will be whisper, and verbal noun meaning is whispering. Active participle meaning is whisperer, and passive participle is whisper. Now we will see some Quranic example like Allazi yawas isu fi sudurin nas. This is the ayah from Surah Nas and ayah number 5. Who whispers into the breast of mankind. Allazi means who. You was isu means who whispers. Fi means in. Suduri means breast, in the breast. Sudurin nas of mankind. The sudur and nas, the relation between these two is mudaf and mudaf ilahi. This is mudaf ilahi and this one is mudaf. According to the rules, this mudaf will be dhamma and the mudaf ilahi will be kasra. But here we are seeing the mudaf is kasra, mudaf ilahi also kasra. Why? Because of this fi. Fi is harfun jar. Because of harfun jar, this suduru becomes suduri. Fi suduri. The dhamma comes down to kasra because of this harfun jar. And this annasu becomes annasi because it is mudaf ilahi. So this is the relation between mudaf and mudaf ilahi that we have little discussed in our previous lesson, and we have another lessons for detailed discussion for this mudaf and mudaf ilahi. We will attend this coming lesson inshallah. This is the Quranic example who whisper into the breast of mankind. Lazi yawasisu fi sudurin nas. Lazi who yawasisu whispers fi in suduri breast, in the breast, nasi of mankind. This is Surah Nas. Now let's see another example. Iza zulzilati al ardu zilzalaha. This is the ayah from Surah Zalzala. Surah Zalzala, the meaning is the earthquake. Here, our verb was like this, Zalzala. But here we are saying it is Zulzila. And this T is for Anti. Anti means you, female. So this word Zulzilati, this word has been used for female. Zulzilati is the passive voice. That's why from Zalzala it becomes Zulzila. The active voice and passive voice, we haven't learned this one. We will discuss in different lessons about active and passive voice inshallah. Today you only keep in mind that for passive voice normally start with dhamma instead of fatha. From Zalzala it is Zulzila. This is passive voice because whenever you see this, when the earth is shaken, this shaken is Zulzila. Is shaken is a passive voice. That's why it is Zulzila instead of Jaljala. Iza zulzilati al ardu zilzalaha. Now again the zilzala. What is this zilzala? This is the verbal noun. Zilzala means earthquake. The verbal noun, the pattern was, our pattern was ilaq, means zilzal. Zilzal is the verbal noun and there is the meaning is earthquake. Iza zulzilati al ardu zilzalaha. Ha means it. Zilzalaha means its earthquake. Iza zulzilati al ardu zilzalaha means when the earth is shaken with its earthquake. This is from Surah Zalzala, the earthquake. This is the end of our lesson 16. Thank you for watching.